Vertigo or vertigo is a false sensation of moving or spinning, often combined with nausea and vomiting. It is an unpleasant sensation. It may result from disturbance affecting the organs of balance in the inner ear, a disorder of the nerve that connects the inner ear to the brain, or problems in the area of brain concerned with balance. It is often associated with cerebral spondylosis, a disorder that affects mainly older people. In this condition, vertigo occurs when the head is turned or tilted, thereby compressing blood vessels that supply the parts of the brain involved with balance. It can also be caused by a viral infection of the respiratory tract, as a common cold or influenza. Recurrent vertigo combined with hearing loss and sounds in one or both ears may be a result of the inner ear disorder called Meniere's disease. You can relieve vertigo by lying still, avoiding sudden movement. If you feel like vomiting, take small sips of water every 10 minutes to avoid dehydration. In homeopathy, we have got some excellent medicines for vertigo. Vertigo, which comes with epileptic seizures, requires absinthium 200. At times, a person is full of fear and his situation worsens on rising from a sitting position. We prescribed Aconite 30. Remember that all medicines are given in dosages of 4 to 6 pills 4 times a day. If a person feels giddy in sunlight on walking, Agaricus, Agaricus 200 would help. And when vertigo comes as a result of injury, recent or past, Arnica 200 is the remedy. On climbing steps, if a person feels giddy and the person is anemic, give him arsenic hydro 30. When descending, a person experiences vertigo, Borax 200 comes to help. With nausea, which is worse on motion, Bryonia 200 is the medicine. In cervical spondylosis, when the neck is stiff, there's giddiness on turning, Simi C Fuga 200 is a great remedy. Mountain climbers who see flashes of lightning require Coca 30, COCA 30. And if you are traveling in a motor car, plane or ship, Cocculus, COCCULUS 200 is a great remedy. The medicine ought to be taken 30 minutes before the journey. Some people feel giddy when they see flowing or running water. They require Ferrum Met 30. While if the vertigo spreads from occiput and there is a feeling of a tight band around the head, we prescribe gel Semium 200. If the giddiness comes from exposure to sun, give Glonoine GLONOINE 200, and if it comes with nausea and vomit, Ipecac IPCAC 200 is very helpful. If vertigo comes as a result of use of intoxicants, loss of sleep, fast life, Nux vomica 200 would help. And if the feeling comes after suppressed menses, Pulsatilla 30 is the remedy. Look up to Qutub Minar or to Burj Khalifa and you feel giddiness, take Silesia 200. The medicines have to be taken 4 times a day, 4 to 6 pills on the tongue. These medicines would all be of great help. In case the vertigo persists, please consult a doctor. There could be other reasons than those which have been described earlier. Thank you for listening to this video. Keep watching.